Hey friends, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show how to use an Android or iPhone as a computer mic. First, download the Vomic app, open it on your phone and leave it running. Next, Google Vomic, go to the site and download the program. Then open the installer. Click Yes. Choose a language, I'll pick English. Click Next. Click Skip. Click Start. Click OK. Next, then Install. There. It's installed. Okay. Now restart your computer. I won't do that here. Launch the program. Click Join or Connect here. There's a Wi-Fi connection option. Now I'll go to the phone. I'll click Settings. I'll click Start. There. After clicking Start, you'll see an IP address. Enter that on your computer. Then click Join. Click Accept here. There. Now it says Connected, so everything's working. In your desired app like OBS or Discord, go to Mic Settings. Select the VO mic, click Apply, and it's ready to use. That's all folks. This was Weller. See you later.